Free rhyming cards for toddlers. Head to montessorilife.com. The link will be in the description. The information on this page for the activity is really useful as it shows you how to demonstrate it to your child. To download the free language rhyming cards for toddlers, scroll down and you will see the words here. Fill in your email and hit subscribe. Go to your email. Check your promotions and spam folder if you can't find it. Your password will be given, and then hit the download your subscriber freebies now. Place in the password that you were given in the email, and then you are at the library. Scroll down to find the activity, and there you have it. Follow me on these social media platforms for more DIY, tutorials and demonstrations.